Alright, we're here at the Windjammer on Adventure of the Seas Deck 11. I'm gonna show you what they have to eat for breakfast. Front there's some pastries and deli meats, cheese, breads that you can put in the toaster oven. Then you move on to some flavor stuff, hot cereal, oatmeal, eggs, sausage, hash browns, ham, bacon, corned beef hash, mushrooms, waffles and pancakes, and a lot of fruit. And you have your cereal. On this side, a lot of the cold mixed fruits and drinks, coffee, and then in the back it kind of just repeats itself. There's about 4 different sections of just different various foods that are really the same thing, just repeated. So it kind of splits it up a little bit. So if it's crowded in the front of the restaurant, you can just go to the next station back. And then in the back here again, there's more pastries, cereal, deli meats, yogurt. So that kind of just repeats itself. And here we go again. Same kind of food, just more stations. So you can see this one's more crowded, so you could go to a different station for that. Today is our last day on the ship, so we're at sea, heading back to San Juan. And then as soon as you come in, there is a hand washing station. Everyone should be washing their hands as soon as they come in here to stop the spread of germs. This is all decorated for Christmas, the gingerbread houses. Be sure to watch my other videos if you want to see what is offered for lunch and dinner as well. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video. Also make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next videos I will be posting, and leave your questions, comments, and suggestions below.